how to replace the blade on the OX Pro utility knife. So first, if it's in a closed position like that, you need to press this safety catch here to open it up. Take off any safety catches on the blade, like that. And this button here is what keeps the blade in place. So grab the blade, press this button down, and it will release the OX Pro blade like that. So if you then get your new blade, you want to press that button down, enter into this slot here. Whoops. It'll go back, and you want to make sure you hear an actual click, and then it shouldn't come out like that. And then you'll be able to fold your knife down. Don't forget, put this back on if you want to be ultra safe. And we can fold it down, and there you go. That's how easy it is to replace the OX Pro blade on the utility knife. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.